Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cooking tweezer tongs is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed, allowing for precise handling of delicate ingredients, flipping delicate food, and even serving as a handy substitute for chopsticks, making cooking easier and more enjoyable than ever before, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. Number 5. JETKONG Kitchen Tweezers. These aren't your average kitchen tongs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they're built to last and are easy to clean. Their ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold, even during long cooking sessions. The sturdy construction ensures a secure grip on your food. The comfortable handle and perfectly sized length protect your hands and allow for precise movements. The tips are blunt and safe for handling delicate items. These versatile tweezers are perfect for cooking, serving, and even crafting. They're also great for handling small objects with precision. You'll receive two 12-inch stainless steel kitchen tweezers. They're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. We're confident you'll love your new kitchen tweezers. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll provide a satisfying solution. What we like? They are made of high-quality stainless steel, built to last and easy to handle. Its comfortable grip minimizes hand fatigue during long cooking sessions. If you need a reliable, all-purpose kitchen tool that can handle various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The fine tips are so precise, you'll feel like you're performing microsurgery on your dinner plate. The extra-long 12-inch design provides ample reach, making it easy to handle delicate foods like garnishes, thinly sliced vegetables, and even small pieces of meat without crushing them. The fine tip of the tweezers allows for meticulous plating, giving your dishes that perfect, professional touch. Number 4. Bundlepro Tweezers Set. This set includes 4 professional-grade tweezers, perfect for any kitchen. They're made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and ease of cleaning. These tweezers are made from durable stainless steel, resistant to rust and heat. Their smooth surface prevents food residue buildup, making them easy to clean and maintain. With a variety of sizes and designs, they're ideal for handling delicate foods like nuts and berries, or for flipping food on the grill. They'll elevate your cooking game. The fine tips prevent food from slipping, while the textured handles provide a secure grip. Their slender design allows for easy access to hard-to-reach spots. From cooking and roasting to serving and grilling, these tweezers are a must-have for any kitchen. They're perfect for both everyday cooking and special occasions. We're committed to providing high-quality kitchen tools that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. We stand behind our products and offer excellent customer service. What we like? This set includes various sizes to tackle different cooking needs. The fine teeth and serrated handles provide superior grip, preventing slippage. If you're a professional chef or serious home cook who needs precision and control, this set is perfect for you. What people say. They are great for working in tight spots, like an air fryer, and also great for the grill due to the long handles. Very well built, easy to clean, and versatile in so many cooking and prep situations. I've been very frustrated with conventional kitchen tongs that have rusting springs over time. These are a great solution. No moving parts, and strong stainless steel construction. The wider tips seem to grip nicely. Great for home cooks. Very durable and easy to use. Especially while handling, twirling, pasta, also very useful for grabbing small to medium-sized food, rather than using chunky big tongs. Number 3. Char-Broil Culinary Tweezer Tongs. These tongs are perfect for handling small and delicate foods with ease and precision. Their unique design makes grilling and cooking easier than ever before. Unlike traditional tongs, these provide superior control and precision. You'll be able to handle even the smallest items with confidence. The ridged tips on these tongs give you a better grip on your food, preventing slippage and ensuring safe handling. This is especially helpful with slippery or delicate items. They're made from durable stainless steel, so they're built to last. It also makes them versatile enough for a wide variety of cooking tasks. These tongs are strong enough to handle even thick cuts of meat. Their versatility makes them an essential tool for any grill master. These tongs combine the precision of tweezers with the strength of tongs. Get the perfect grip every time, no matter what you're cooking. What we like? It's designed for handling small, delicate foods with precision. The ridged tip ensures a secure grip, even on slippery items. If you frequently work with delicate ingredients and need a tool for precise handling, this is your best bet. What people say. Grabbing, turning, flipping, handling all the hot things in and around the kitchen and grill. The small tips make it easy to grab small or awkwardly shaped things. These are great tongs for the kitchen too, used for making pasta. Was easy to pluck out a piece to check doneness. Construction is superior to all my other tongs, solid metal sides. So useful to have when doing an outdoor barbecue or cooking meat on the grill. The tong has a great grip to hold on to heavy meat, resist heat. Number 2. Fine Tweezer Tongs 6-piece Set. These cooking tweezers are made of high-quality stainless steel. They're durable, strong, and safe for use with food, making them easier to handle than other kitchen utensils. This set includes 2 sizes of tongs, 12 inches and 6.3 inches, with different angles. The long handles keep your hands away from heat and oil for safer cooking. They're perfect for plating food or handling delicate items. Use them for everything from picking herbs to serving food. It's an essential addition to any kitchen. The serrated tips provide a secure grip, even on the smallest or slipperiest items. This makes your work easier and more precise. These tongs are incredibly versatile. Use them for cooking, baking, handling small objects, or even for hobbies and crafts. What we like. This set offers different sizes and angles for versatility. The serrated tips provide a secure grip on even the most slippery items. If you need a versatile set for various cooking tasks and want a durable option, this is a great choice. What people say. I ordered 2 different versions of these tweezers and side-by-side comparison shows these to be better polished and smoother on all the edges. These tongs are well made and super sleek and a nice addition to my kitchen arsenal. Long enough to avoid getting popped by grease and has a nice handle area. Dishwasher safe and easy to use. Great product. Sturdy construction and varied sizes, fit exactly what we needed them for. Number 1. DALSTRONG Chef Tweezers. These small tongs give you incredible precision. Their high-carbon stainless steel construction with a titanium coating ensures a secure grip on even the most delicate items. With over 100 extra-large grooves and micro teeth, it easily handles delicate and slippery foods. You'll never worry about dropping anything again. They're not only aesthetically pleasing but also incredibly durable. These tongs are resistant to high temperatures and abrasion, ensuring they'll last for years to come. These kitchen tweezers are designed for both left and right-handed users. Everyone can enjoy the ease and comfort of using them. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a lifetime warranty against defects. Experience the DALSTRONG difference. What we like. These tweezers offer unmatched control thanks to their design. The comfortable grip and durable construction ensure a pleasant cooking experience. If you value precision, comfort, and durability in your kitchen tools, then this is for you. What people say. They work great on a variety of foods, especially scallops. It's great for individually and precisely flipping purigis, tiny cuts of chicken, bacon, and for placing that one coffee bean in your espresso martini. What sold me on this kitchen tool is something I can do with it that I can't gracefully do with my existing tongs: turn scallops over with precision. These tweezers are the better way to handle delicate foods like scallops because they allow a degree of precision that fatter food tongs just can't provide. And they come with a slick protective case for easy and safe storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.